Have you always wanted to start learning Python but were intimidated by the setup process? In this video, I will walk you through setting up a Python development environment in 3 easy steps. First, we need to install a Python interpreter to execute the code that we have written. I'm going to use a package manager called miniconda to install the interpreter. Miniconda will help us to install Python packages and manage Python versions and environments easily. Apart from the interpreter, we will also need to set up an integrated development environment or IDE. IDE is a set of tools that will help us to write and debug our code. We will be using vscode, a free and lightweight text editor that can be turned into a powerful development tool with the help of extensions. So let's open a browser and search for miniconda. The miniconda official page should show up somewhere at the top of the search results. Download an installer suitable for your Windows configuration by clicking on one of the download links. The setup process is fairly straightforward. The default installation settings will do just fine. The only thing you may want to change the default for is the installation location. Now let's install vscode. The steps are very similar to the miniconda installation process. Make sure to select these options during the installation. Now it's time to configure our VS Code. We will need to install Python extension from the extension marketplace. Let's go over to the extension store by clicking on the icon with 4 squares on the left side panel. Then, in the search bar, type Python. The extension that we need is called just Python and will probably appear at the very top of the search results. Click the blue Install button to install it. Now let's test our installation. To do so, we will write a simple Python script. On the top panel, click on File, New File, and choose Python file. Press Ctrl S to save it. You can give it any name that comes to your mind. I will keep it simple and just call it main. To run our script, we need to select an interpreter. Click on the Select Interpreter in the bottom right corner and select Base. Now we're finally ready to write our script. Let's print a short phrase to the console. To run the script, let's click on the Play button in the top right corner. Our phrase has been printed to the console, which indicates that everything was installed correctly. I will also install a color theme to make VS Code more colorful. This step is optional, and you can skip it if you like the default theme.